It's now or never. That's the sentiment of trainer Carl Grant, who is preparing Jamaica's Richard Frog Holmes to take on the Mexican-born Canadian Ricardo Salas in Wednesday night's final of the Rey and Neville Contender Series for the welterweight title at the National Indoor Sports Centre. 3 fights each for Jamaica's Richard Frog Holmes and Canada's Ricardo Magic Man Salas, spread across 3 months, have brought the fighters to Wednesday's 10-round contest for the right to be called the 2018 Contender Series champion. Holmes and Salas, who both weighed in at 146 pounds on Tuesday, have 2 million reasons to display their best boxing skills inside the National Indoor Sports Centre. Recognized as the most consistent Jamaican boxer in the 8-year history of the Contender Series, the 31-year-old Frog Holmes, now contesting his 3rd final, is hungry for victory after defeats to Kemal Hitman Russell in 2015 for the middleweight title, and then the world-rated American DeMarcus Chop Chop Corley in 2016 for the welterweight belt. Salas, who scored 3 knockouts en route to the final, including that of 2013 champion Devon Concrete Moncrief in the semi-final, will start as favourite. However, Holmes says he has assessed all of Salas's fights and knows what he needs to do.
It's a championship fight. No one want to go in a fight and lay themselves careless. You know, you have to approach the fight with caution, and regardless whatever he have to throw at me, I can withstand anything come at me. You know, just hope that he can withstand what I have to throw at him.
The Magic Man Salas, who is determined to become the first Canadian and only the 2nd boxer from North America to win the Contender Series, is ready for Holmes. He spoke through interpreter Gloria Munoz.
Hacer mi trabajo y prácticamente voy a subir a hacer mi trabajo nada más.
Yes, he's aware of the different tactics and he is going to work for it and make it work.
Llegar a dar el knockout yo creo que sería por el round 4º o 5º.
He thinks in the 4th or 5th round.
Holmes' trainer Carl Grant says this will be the easiest of the 3 finals contested by his charge.
Jamaica, just come out tomorrow, come say Richard Holmes at his best. Because we're going to go there. The preparation Richard Holmes put in for Chop Chop Corley is nothing comparing to the one that is right now. So, Salas, Ricardo, whatever you want to name, in a trouble. Because we're going to take it. Because Richard here this year, and there's nothing going to stop him from putting the championship up in the year.
Holmes' ring record stands at 18 wins, 8 by knockout and 8 defeats, while Salas has secured 10 wins, including 9 knockouts and a loss in his 11 professional fights. The final will be preceded by 2 fights on the undercard. 2-time contender champion Sakima Mr. Smooth Mullings will face 36-year-old Mexican Alejandro Herrera Avalos in a non-title junior middleweight fight over 6 rounds, while veteran Ricardo Planter and Nico Yayo will battle in a 6-round middleweight contest. TVJ will have live coverage starting at 9:30 p.m.